Recently, scientists discovered an unusual activity of a star located at approximately 1470 light years away from Earth. It's called Tabby star. The light from this star was seen to be dimmer by 22% relative to its supposedly actual brightness. As odd as it may sound, this abnormality is linked with a possible alien civilization, much more advanced than ours. Want to know how? Stick around till the end of this video. Aliens are what we call as living beings that do not belong to our habitable planet. The first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about aliens is the creepy sort of triangular faces, or maybe some monstrous and evil beings we have seen in the movies. The possible truth is totally different. There are myriads of ways these aliens may look. They can even look like humans. Some people believe that aliens may be already living among us and we just don't recognize them yet. Let's stop the fictional stories right there. What we do know is that the life we may discover in our universe, although they may have the same necessities like us, such as oxygen and water, not necessarily made up of carbon and nitrogen alone. They may be made up of other elements which may give them some distinguished capabilities. Our imagination and reasonable theories can go a very long way. Well, the bigger question is all that matters for now. Since we could not really travel or observe far into the universe in the earlier times, our approach to discover extraterrestrial life was tied to probability. One that played a huge role was the Drake equation, first written in 1961. Through this method, Frank Drake did not see it as a way to quantify the number of civilizations, but just as an argument to support the possibility of aliens' existence. It basically intends to approximate the number across the universe. Even though the equation was greatly criticized to the basic idea from which it was developed, the probabilistic attempt left a reasonable idea. If you say aliens do not exist based on our observations, it is similar to conclude the absence of sharks in the ocean after seeing at a spoonful of water from the ocean. Obviously, we have come a long way from just approximating the universe. With the help of the advanced space exploration technology, we are closer than ever to finding the truth about aliens. There are billions of stars in our Milky Way galaxy which are similar to the Sun. Even assuming every one of them has one habitable planet that revolves around it means that there are billions of different civilizations observing the universe like us and doubting if they are alone in the universe. The distance between our habitable zones is one of the things that keeps us from contact, if we are right about this. Being not able to travel this large distance may hold us back, but why is it that we can never use our telescopes to simply wave at each other? Before we could go any further, head on to our channel to find more interesting videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. Our telescopes are not good enough to cover this seriously high range. Even if we build better telescopes, there is a more complicated issue that we have to deal with right here. Let's say we are observing a planet 5 million light years away from us. The point to note here is that We are capturing light which is 5 million light years old. Putting this into simpler words, if aliens at such a long distance from us are looking at us now, all they will be seeing might be the dinosaurs and not humans. Same goes to us, as we may be capturing the light given off during a long time before the existence of the civilization that we are trying to witness. So, until at least a few million more years, we may not be able to observe aliens at a distant planet, even if they are existing at the very moment, unless their civilization has started a reasonably long time ago. Whatever it is, we can't deny that some other alien civilizations could have found us already. As mentioned earlier in this video, Tabby's star was dimmer than it's supposed to be, and scientists think it may be an evidence to a more advanced alien civilization. We say they could have built Dyson sphere around their star to harvest its energy, which justifies its dimming. Dyson sphere is a theoretical idea to obtain solar energy going as close as we can to the sun in order to maximize the received intensity of light. Not just that, UFO reports and sightings of objects traveling faster than light in the distant galaxies also lead us to a possibility that aliens are already acting more advanced than we think they are. If you want to find out more on UFOs, do click the link in the top right corner of your screen or the one in the description to watch our full video about it. As much as it gives more hope to the existence of aliens, these arguments also tell us the aliens may be trying to communicate with us real soon. On top of that, some contenders do claim that we have already made contact with aliens, seeing the impossible structures built during the time of ancient civilizations. So, do aliens exist? As long as we have no sufficient evidence to prove aliens do not exist, their existence cannot be denied. Tell us what you think about it. How do you think discovering alien civilizations will affect our lives? Will we have an intergalactical harmony, or will they try to conquer us? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. That's all for now, folks. We will be right back with more interesting facts from Quantum Vimana.